Today we're going to review the Snorbastion Anti-Snoring Nose Vents set. So, if you're like me, you may just have one of these in your life.
Daddy!
It's the middle of the day.
And you have coffee.
In his defense, he is a paramedic and works some crazy hours. Plus, he's going to school online, all while remaining a fabulous husband and father. He also has some insane allergies, and he's broken his nose 12 times in his life. Can you say deviated septum? Needless to say, he is the perfect candidate to give these nose vents a try. Do you see how only one side of his nose is even able to take in any substantial amount of air? With the Snorbastion nose vents, both nostrils are able to fully take in air. Cool, huh? They might look a little uncomfortable, but I assure you my husband was super happy to be wearing them because he was able to breathe so much better than he typically does on a normal day. The medical grade silicone is very flexible and soft. Let's take a look. They come in a small box that will include a user manual and a harder plastic carrier case. It's perfect for storage or traveling. There's a wide variety of sizes and some different shapes too. This should assure that you will find a fit that works well for you personally. The brand boasts of instant relief, and it was no joke and no overstatement. Immediately, my husband had relief. He was so excited that he was able to breathe better.
Oh my gosh, I can breathe.
The first time he put them in, he just sort of sat there in awe at how well he could breathe.
I can feel all the mucus draining out of my nose because I can breathe air in. It's so cool. I cannot wait to try these running.
And amazingly, he had to take them out in the middle of the night. His complaint? Too much air. He wasn't used to being able to breathe that well and his throat got dry. That says a lot for how much more air he was taking in. More good news. They are reusable. Simply wash your vents with soap and water, then air dry before you use them again.
They're so cute.
And while you may use them on children, they certainly have the sizing that would be appropriate for them. They safely recommend that you always check with your pediatrician before using. My husband and I have both really appreciated the opportunity to test out these nose vents from Snorbastion. He has been so pleased that he can breathe so much better. And as for the snoring, I haven't noticed a sound while he's had them in, and I'm sleeping great too. Thank you so much.